Welcome to this explainer. You know, you literally carry a supercomputer in your pocket every single day, yet we all deal with the exact same universal daily frustrations. Well, today, we are uncovering the transformative, built-in features of your smartphone that solve these exact issues. And the absolute best part? We are going to do it without downloading a single app. Okay, let's dive right into this. The stark reality? Most of us are only using about 15% of what our phones can actually do. Crazy, right? And it's not because we aren't tech savvy, it's just that the absolute best tools are buried deep in settings menus, hidden behind long presses, or quietly added in software updates we barely notice. To fix that, we're going to organize these 9 hidden features into a quick, focused roadmap. First, enhancing senses. Second, reclaiming sanity. Third, magic shortcuts. And fourth, future-proofing. All right, let's jump straight into section 1, enhancing senses. So, picture this. We've all been in that super quiet waiting room, right? Where you just cannot play audio out loud. Or maybe you found yourself squinting, trying to manually type out a ridiculously long tracking number or a prescription label, literally letter by letter. It's the worst. Well, what's really cool here is that both major platforms offer incredible built-in solutions to these exact problems, and they work completely offline. Whether you're rocking an iPhone with live captions and live text, or an Android with live caption and circle to search, your phone can instantly generate subtitles or just rip text right out of an image. Setting this up is a total breeze. Just dive into your settings, navigate over to Accessibility, and toggle on Live Captions for iPhone or Live Caption for Android. And boom, just like that, you've got real-time subtitles for any video, any podcast, or even a live phone call right on your screen. And hey, extracting text without retyping is just as easy. On an iPhone, all you do is tap and hold the text inside any photo. If you're on Android, just give the home button a long press to activate Circle to Search. Now you can grab that tracking number or recipe instantly. A real game changer. Moving right along to section 2, reclaiming sanity. Okay, be honest, have you ever swiped a notification away way too fast? Or been completely startled by a robotic spam call right in the middle of dinner? Losing an important delivery update or dealing with scammers are just those universally despised frustrations we all kind of seem to accept. But here's the thing, you really don't have to accept them. Both ecosystems have powerful tools to fight back. iPhone uses the notification center and screen time limits, while Android uses notification history and digital well-being. These are your best friends for recovering lost messages, silencing random callers, and putting some intentional friction on your doom scrolling. Let's tackle those spam calls first. On your iPhone, head to Settings, then Phone, and switch on Silence Unknown Callers. Simple. On Android, open up your phone app settings and find Spam and Call Screen. Once you do this, any number not in your contacts gets sent silently straight to voicemail. It literally eliminates the majority of spam interruptions instantly. Next up, fixing that swiped away message problem. By turning on Android's 24-hour notification history in your settings, or honestly, just swiping up from the middle of your iPhone's lock screen, you guarantee that you will never lose a dismissed alert or a missed call number again. It's like a safety net for your thumbs. And when it comes to our attention spans, setting a daily time limit on social media apps creates this deliberate, absolutely crucial moment of friction. The app locks, and yeah, sure, you can choose to bypass it, but that intentional pause, that puts you right back in the driver's seat of your own focus. All right, let's explore section 3, magic shortcuts. You might not believe this, but your phone actually has hidden physical buttons and totally cable-free file transfer capabilities that completely bypass the need for an internet connection. The iPhone handles this with Back Tap and AirDrop, while Android offers gesture shortcuts and Nearby Share or Quick Share. Let's uncover that hidden button. If you navigate to Accessibility and Touch on your iPhone, or System and Gestures on your Android, you can actually configure your device to react to physical taps on its back. Meaning a simple double tap can instantly snap a screenshot or fire up the flashlight, no matter what screen you're on. Now, what about sharing files? Instead of texting a photo and letting the app compress it into a pixelated mess, just hit Share and select AirDrop for iPhone or Nearby Share for Android. You can blast photos to a family member across the room in seconds, at full original quality without using a single drop of cellular data. It's basically magic. Finally, let's look at section 4, future-proofing. Okay, I know this sounds completely counterintuitive, but charging your phone to 100% every night is actually slowly shortening its life.
Holding a lithium-ion battery at maximum charge generates heat, and that accelerates chemical degradation. It's exactly why your battery health plummets to the low 80s after just 2 years.
To future-proof both your hardware and your privacy, both platforms really step up here. You can actually cap your charging capabilities to reduce battery stress, and you can lock individual, highly sensitive apps behind an extra layer of biometric security. So, here is how you save that battery. Find the 80% charging limit under your iPhone's battery settings, or toggle Protect Battery on your Android. Enforcing this charging ceiling means the battery experiences significantly less stress, which can easily extend the physical, healthy lifespan of your expensive device by a year or more. Seriously, do this today. Lastly, let's talk privacy. On iOS 18, you just long press an app and select Require Face ID, or use Android's App Lock under Security Settings. Now think about it. If you hand your unlocked phone to, say, a grandchild to play a game, your banking apps, your email, and your private photo galleries remain strictly off limits. Total peace of mind. So, as a rapid recap, your phone already has these 9 incredible tools built right in. Live captions, notification history, app limits, back tap, live text, silencing unknown callers, charging limits, locking apps, and AirDrop. No downloads, no subscriptions, no gimmicks, just native solutions waiting to be activated. Which brings us to our final question for this explainer. Which 3 features are you going to activate today to take back control of your digital life? Don't let that supercomputer go to waste. Start by setting up just 3 today. And hey, if you discovered a hidden superpower you didn't know you had, definitely share this with someone who's still living without these solutions. See you next time.